Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, I have taken down my old greenhouse because it has just been sitting out in the sun. The straps are breaking off, the zipper broke off. Even the straps that I had twisted into the ground, I have these twist stakes that you connect them with. Those broke off. The work camper that I have staying, her and I took greenhouse down and I got a new greenhouse. Yes, it's the same type of material. I believe it has metal bars, but this one is a 12-foot by 6.5 foot by 6.5 foot greenhouse. Definitely bigger and better. So I'm hoping they sell maybe a replacement cover or tarp just in case this one goes bad, because they didn't for the old one. Once we put this one up, hopefully I'll use it more. Eventually I'm going to be building shelving units inside for plants, and hopefully this can just be a better working greenhouse. The work camper is still here. Her and I are going to be putting up this greenhouse. We'll meet you guys out there. So this is the place that I took down the old greenhouse. It was right here, and we're going to be putting up a bigger greenhouse. I'm not sure how I'm going to get these twisty stakes out of the ground, but I think the whole greenhouse will cover it. I'll have time to do that later. So I've got all of the pieces categorized at the bottom here, or on the floor here. We put them all in order. We've got all of these pieces right here, and we've got some directions right here. So this is what the greenhouse is going to look like, and then we're putting it in this space right here. I do have my helper with me. We're going to knock this out. We are basically just trying to put it together on the outside. We do have one whole piece put together right here, and now we are trying to figure out the second part. We do have photos, like illustrations in the directions, so that's what we're trying to go by. All right, we are just putting the frame together right now. We've got the sides down, the bottom down. Now we're gonna, oh, this one right here. Making some progress. We've got the bottom frame there with some crossbars. We have the sides, the top, and we're doing it out here because there's sun out here, so it's a little bit warmer. But with the two of us, we can probably lift it over that fence and put it in the spot that it's supposed to be in. There are 4 big nuts or wing nuts. These are 2 for these 2 small ones. When we connect these, we have to undo those. Put these, once we connect these to these, this comes out again. That gets stuck up there and gets twisted onto it. See, this will get put in this hole once we do the sides like this. Once this gets put back on, this then goes through both, correct? Now we are both putting on the frame. And now I was still holding the nut, so I wanted to put it there. All we have to do is put the top on. We are using the fence to hold the one side, so it's kind of like we have a third helper. And then we did a team lift and lifted this over the fence. And now this is where the greenhouse is going to sit. There is a walkway in the front, there's a walkway on the sides, and there's a walkway in the back. And now we're just going to put the cover on. We did get the cover over, however, the cover is on backwards. We have to take the cover off and put it on the other way, or turn the greenhouse around so that the cover can go on with the opening over here, which I think that's what we're going to do, is just turn the greenhouse around and then put the cover back on correctly. Okay, so that was pretty easy putting that greenhouse up, especially when you had 2 people. We also used the fence to kind of brace the one side while her and I worked on the other side. And now I have a greenhouse for the spring and summer, a much bigger one than I had before, so I am grateful for that. It is another assembly video, and it does take a lot of work trying to get your homestead up and together. These greenhouses don't just come as is, so we have to do the work and put it together. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Even the straps that don't put that.